Yeah, it's really great.
How does that sound?
All good.
Yeah. I think that, you know how we went to, you know, I'm feeling that on our Te Rongo, on the chorus, I reckon we should be belting that up, but it's too low for me anyway.
That's what I
For the
said.
boys.
It is
I reckon once we get it absolute then we should be able to belt it out.
Drugs, what do you reckon?
Yeah, that's cool.
It's good. It's low as for this.
Yeah.
Girls,
Girls?
we can get another
Yeah.
one.
So it starts getting really hot.
Okay, cool. Let's have a break, like a drink break.
Yeah, it's my time.
Yeah.